The ice cream truck is here and you can learn colors while you're having fun. That's so cool. This is a special treat for toddlers. They can learn primary colors, secondary colors, and even some shapes. All of the colors are in the wheel. Let's take a look. Red, blue, and yellow make orange, purple, and green. That's so cool. There's a red truck and a blue truck. Can you find the yellow truck? It's behind the tree. Wow, look at that. The wheels are yellow, the body is blue, and the roof is red. What a beautiful truck. Let's learn some more colors. Can you help me sort the trucks by color? This one's red, this one's blue, and this one's yellow. You're doing great, keep going. Yellow, blue, red, yellow. Good job. You learned all the colors. Now let's sing the color song. So the first color is red. That's the color of the fire truck. Next is blue. Blue is the color of the sky. And the third color is yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun. You're so smart. Can you find all the shapes hidden in the park? In the new episode of Shape Hunt, we go to the park and look for circles, squares, and triangles. Can you help me find them all? There's a circle in the playground. Can you see it? Look, there's another circle on the slide. And there's a square shape on the tree. And what about this one? Is it a circle or a triangle? It's a circle. Look at all these shapes. There's a triangle on the bench, and this one is a square. Can you say square? This is a circle, a square, and a triangle. And we found all the shapes in the park. This is so much fun. Let's play again. Oh, I see a circle. Can you see it? Look, a square, and there's a triangle. We found all the shapes again. Great job. And if you want to learn more shapes, we have more videos like this. So stay tuned for more fun. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the baby shark family is going to the zoo. Mommy shark and daddy shark are pushing the stroller with baby shark and grandma shark. They're on their way to see the animals. At the zoo, baby shark sees a monkey holding a banana in front of him. He's so surprised. He didn't know monkeys could be that tall. Then they go to the giraffe area. Baby shark looks up in amazement as the giraffe stretches its neck to reach some leaves. Next, they visit the lion enclosure. The lion sees the baby and roars. It's so loud. Baby shark hides behind his mother's skirt, but he's brave. When they go to feed the ducks, he even splashes some water on them. After a fun day at the zoo, the sharks head home. Baby shark is tired from all the walking. He falls asleep in the stroller as his family sings a lullaby. The end.